Hey viewers, how are you all? Welcome back to my channel. Today I will talk about 10 must-haves that should be in every living room. In case you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe. I decided to share with all of you some items that are must-have in every living room. Watch video till last and I'll show you my living room. Here are 10 things. First, something live. Every living room needs to have something that's life in it. A print green natural plant. That's something every living room should include. Indoor plants not only make your space more inviting and luxurious, but in the practical sense, they also make your homes more healthier as it reduces noise level. Also, floral arrangements instantly add life and a pop of color into your space. Second thing, a comfortable rug. A rug with a soft texture that feels cozy under your feet makes you feel relaxed, in a perfect mood to read a book or stay home to enjoy a movie with your family. To remember that a good design is not only about aesthetics, it's also about how you feel the textures and material by our tactile senses that is crucial. When it comes to achieving a cozy and comfortable space, a coffee table with the right color, shape, and design. Your coffee table brings all the pieces of the furniture together, helping balance out any piece in your living room and makes the room feel complete. The coffee table is not only a functional element, but with it you can add contrast and textures to complement the composition of the space. Something personal. For a living room to look and feel homey, it should include something that's personal and meaningful to you and to your family. It can be a piece of art, your favorite books, a wall where you show your some photographs. Curtains. The curtains give the living room character and are a wonderful way of introducing color pattern or textures in the space. Pick a solid color with simple design. Colors escorting space and elegant and fresh look to the space. So don't forget to dress up your windows. Throw pillows are very important for a couple of reasons. The first is comfort. Sometimes your back needs extra support, or you might want to take a nap and have a pillow to rest. The second reason is decorative pillows offer a wonderful opportunity to bring in different colors, textures, and patterns. Pillows can be changed with the season. You can immediately change the appearance and refresh home decor. Nothing sets our relaxing mood like candles. So, it's important to always have something on display. You can display candles on the coffee or side table. Remember that we perceive our space as comfortable one through our senses. How we perceive it through our senses can improve our life quality and help us feel comfortable. So, using scented candles with lavender, chamomile, jasmine, rose, or vanilla bring pleasant smell into your home at the same time. Cozy throw blankets. Throw blankets are awesome to have around when you cozy up in your sofa to watch TV with your family. Throw blankets are perfect. What another layer of texture and color to your sofa. It's perfect to warm up the space. Mirrors are an accessory that adds a great style and elegance to any living room. A well-placed mirror can even trick the eye into making a room feel larger than its actual size. It can boost the sense of a space in a room. Mirrors go well over fine places, behind sofas, or even standing against the wall. Vases work very well with floral arrangements. Generally, vases can be placed anywhere. Vase is made with material like glass, can be perfect to be used in a contemporary style. If they are metal or rustic vases, they are perfect to complement the space, adding a different texture to the whole composition. So, what's your favorite living room accessory? Please share them with me in a comment below. Thanks for watching, and remember, if you like this video, please don't forget to share and subscribe. So, let's have a tour to my living room.